line of code that she made you, Miss Regina, so let's follow it. Step forward, 1, 2.
This isn't
and
your
then it
typical
says
lesson
return
at a school
90
library.
degrees to
At
the
Ybarra
right.
Elementary, they're adding coding
Is she in
on
the
top
robot?
of promoting literacy.
Oh, when there's an error on our
We use programming in our everyday life, and I know that when they grow up, computer science is a very big job field out there that pays very well. We are on Thanksgiving Day. It's a special time of year.
It revolves
Yes, I
around
know
a
I am
book they read,
turkey. That
How to
much should be
Catch a
clear.
Turkey.
I'm going to turn to the right, and then I'm gonna go
Incorporating the
forward
lesson
again.
with
Then I press
Thanksgiving
go.
using B-bots.
They learn about sequence of events. They learn about retelling the story. It helps their language, and it helps their critical thinking skills also.
Let's try it. We have to press the button, and there's a front, a back, a left, and a right. So if we tell it to go like front, it's gonna go front. We tell it to go back, it goes back.
The project is done in groups. This requires teamwork.
What?
Errors may occur during the practice.
I thought it was going that way. It's okay, we can just restart. From the place we were at, and we were going to another place, we just put it back there, and then we redo it.
But when they meet their target, there's a sense of accomplishment, something they can look forward to later in life as professionals.
We were like fun. We jumped. All of our group jumped, and we said yay.
Now it'll be Eden's turn.
A unique approach to learning to keep the boys and girls engaged and excited.
Yes, that's what it's called, the V-bot. Very good.
They
Now,
are
Aiden.
looking forward to doing these type of lessons, and they always ask like, oh, when are we going to use the B-bots? They love the B-bots, so yeah,
try
it's
it.
fun.
Backwards. Turn to the left.
For KOS TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.
And then forward, forward, forward.